Here are some common mistakes made by students while attempting the IELTS listening exam. Let's go. Firstly, listening to audio blindly. Always have some kind of prediction regarding the answer prepared in your head. Secondly, avoiding distractors. These are the wrong choices with the correct answers which appear correct but always end up with some contradictory words like but or although. Thirdly, making spelling and grammatical mistakes. Well, these kinds of mistakes should be avoided in all modules of the IELTS exam. Fourthly, leaving blank answers. As there is no negative marking in IELTS listening, so there is no point in leaving blank spaces in the answer sheet. And lastly, writing on the answer sheet while listening to the audio. Students are given 10 extra minutes to transfer their responses onto the answer sheet. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit Spectrum Overseas Jalandhar. Thank you.